Hey everyone, it's me, Melody. So in the comments below, in the description box below, I have linked everything here. Some of this stuff is smaller than I expected it to be, but the first thing I needed were gel tips, and this was 600 medium stiletto. I thought these were longer. It's fine. These look like cabinets. Nope, they're stiletto. And the inside, if you can see it, but it shows that it's like etched on the inside, so I don't have to do that. So I can't wait to use these. Then I've been seeing these online everywhere. I'm not going to take them out of the package, but there's little flowers right there, and they're in different sizes, so I couldn't wait to use these. The iridescent ones. And then I didn't have the little, well, I didn't have any pearls, so this came in like a 2-pack with a pair of tweezers. I think that was it that's in the pack. But it came with caviar beads and gold and silver, 2 different sizes. And then I got a small pack of pearls, flat pack pearls, because some reason I didn't have any white ones. And then I got this pack of, how do I explain what they are? They're little, oh my goodness. This is what they are. They're molds. So later on, I'm going to take them out and film what they look like. But they're all different. But they're molds, so you can put a resin or acrylic in it, and you cure it, and you can make your own little nail gems. So I got this, and then this is nothing nail related, but I had nothing to hold my stockings up with, so there's that. So these are what the molds look like compared to my finger. Some of these weren't the sizes. I thought this was going to be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. They're bigger than my old ones that I had, and they're better quality than the ones I originally started out with years ago. So I'm just going to do a close-up of all of it. So that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. So I got these 2 things from Dollar Tree a while back, and I forgot to show them. They're $3 each. So this is what they look like up close. These are actually made of plastic, and you have to sit there and rub in your hands to separate them all. This is the blue and purple, and then this is the yellow and pink.